Hey guys, Sakitech from sakitech, and in today's video we have some brand new updates for many Samsung Galaxy smartphones. So this one over here is the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. But the same update is being pushed out to the Fold 5, Flip 5, Fold 4, Flip 4, and more. So go to the settings and go all the way down and tap on Software Update, and then tap on Download and Install, and it should pop up and update. Now this update is very important because it has the latest June security patch. It also is relatively large. It is 429 megabytes, and you can see this particular one is ending in CXE3 for the S23, but it might be different for other smartphones. If you go up here, we can see some device stability improvements, bug fixes, enhanced features, and improvements to performance. So let's tap on install now. We're going to come right back and see what's going on. Alright, so we are back. Software has been updated. Your phone has been updated. So tap on alright and let's see what's going on. So real quick, I'm going to pinch the screen. I'm going to tap on settings. I'm going to go all the way down on my home screen settings and tap on about home screen. And you can see we do have the latest version of One UI Home installed. So there's no updates there, but we do have enhancements to performance. So the phones should feel slightly more smooth. Now, if you do have a later smartphone like the S23 Ultra, you may not see a huge difference with these updates, but you have a slightly older phone, these updates make a larger difference, making the phone smoother and faster. The S23 Ultra, to be honest, already is super fast, so that's not a big deal. Now I'm going to go to the settings, and I'm going to go all the way down, tap on tap on about phone, and I am going to go into software information. At the bottom, we're going to tap on Android security patch level, and that's going to bring up all the security patches that were applied to this phone in terms of security. Over here, you want to go down, tap on read, and then you want to go down and tap on Samsung, okay? And then you'll get the details for this particular update. Now, if I scroll down, all right, you can see we have a whole bunch of high security vulnerabilities that were patched. Nothing critical, nothing moderate, just high. And you can scroll down to get the details as you please. Now, over here, it says Samsung semiconductor patch is also included in this security maintenance released with the following items. So there's a semiconductor patch maintenance update included inside this. So these are very important updates. Even though we see them all the time, they are, as you can see, very important. And like I said, you can get the details based on your needs. So that's that. Number two, go to the settings, all right? And then scroll down, go to security and privacy. Let this screen load up. It says looks good, but sometimes when you go to updates right over here, it's not going to be good. So over here, that is what we just got, so that's fine. But over here, the Google Play System update, you got to tap on it, and it actually is going to check for an update, and most of the time, you will have a latest security update from Google. Basically, you have to update now to keep safe and improve device stability. So I still don't understand how come this does not get updated automatically, even though we have a check mark next to it, okay? So tap on download and install, and you're going to be good to go. That's that. And I also show this now, as I've been showing all the other stuff. So this is the new thing over here. So if you go to app security, and if you tap on app protection, that will take you to device care. Now in my case, it is actually turned on. So I can scan the phone to find any threats, malware, viruses. You have to update the security engine for this as well. So look at this. I'm going to go to the settings, go down to device care, okay? And you will see the app protection right here if you have it. But tap over here and go to settings and make sure tap on about device care and then update the security engine. That security engine is going to get you the latest up-to-date malware and spyware information. So when you do go here and you scan, you're scanning using the latest engine, okay? In this case, it's already installed, so I'm good to go. So that's that. But beyond that, we don't have an actual new feature. But like I said, if you have older smartphones and you're getting these patches for June, in addition to security, you're also going to be getting some nice performance improvements, making the phone smoother. Again, something like the S23 Ultra or the latest fold devices, they're already super fast, so you're not going to notice a huge difference. All right, any questions, comments, or concerns? Drop them down below. Let me know. For now, guys, have a fantastic day.